I want to show you what we got at Goodwill the other day. We are going to try and sell most of these items, flip them for a profit. Okay, the first item is this nice wood inlay box. It does have like a tight fitting lid, but it is beautiful, and this lighting just isn't doing it justice, but it is a gorgeous piece. It is not in perfect condition, but some of that just scrapes right off, so I think we'll be able to just clean it up and sell it. We are into this for $9.99, and projected amount we should get for the sale of this is a minimum of $38. So that's what I'm hoping for as a minimum. The second thing that we got is this gorgeous, I think they called it the martini tray on any glass, but this is very nice glassware, and it looks to be in perfect condition structure-wise. There are no cracks. These bubbles are normal in it, and it does appear like it looks cracked, but as I run my nail on it, like it doesn't catch. So there are some slight imperfections, but brand new on the website, this would go for $198. And with these slight defects, which really don't detract from the beauty of the piece at all. Let me show you how much we paid for it. So that is upside down, but that is $13. And we are going to list this beautiful large piece. This is my hand, for $125 as is. So we're excited about that. Then we have this beautiful crock. Now there is a slight chip right there, but if someone's wanting to use it for a decor piece, I don't really see that being a problem. It does come with the lid. As you can see, we paid $3.99 for that. And it does need to be cleaned. But other than this little nick right here, there seems to be no other damage for this bean jar. So those are going for anywhere from $15 to, what'd you see, like $40. So with this nick, I think we're just gonna list it for $15 as is, and that'll be a $9 profit if we get that. This we saw, and everyone at the Goodwill was so happy for us for this one. So this is a WBI modern mid-century Chinese vase. It is considered a floor vase. It is how tall?
12 inches.
12 inches tall.
With the fox hunt theme.
And it's got this beautiful fox hunt theme on it. And we have found similar, we've seen this design on several like ginger jars and lamps and whatnot. And this is in beautiful condition. Let's see, I'm not really giving you the full. This is gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's got this lovely fox hunt scene on it. It's got the made in China marking. And we spent $12.99 on this. And we are gonna list it for $175 because the smaller ones are going for about $125. So we figure that is a good price for it. So we are excited to list that. Now we couldn't find this exact pattern online, but we found something similar to it. And from all what we can tell, this is a tray that goes to a children's tea set. And this is from the Andrea by Sadek microwave and dishwasher safe for $2.99. We could probably sell this as a replacement tray, just as a cute coquette type tray. Sorry, those are our cats eating in the background type tray. But it's got this really dainty, that's just some schmutz on there that we still have to take off. But it's got this really dainty like stripe and floral, pink, white, and green design. It's gorgeous. We probably could have gotten easily like $25, $30 for it, but our daughter wants it. So our daughter it shall remain with. So, and it will look very cute with their stuff. Now, one of these sets is for our daughter, and then we have 4 other sets that we will be listing online. Now, these are just the bow taper candle holders in like an iridescent white. And these were $3 from the Target Bullseye. And we spent $1.99 per box. And we are going to list these at $12.50 per box. So all together for everything that I have shown you here, we spent $47.61, and I'll have the math in my head real quick, but close to $300 is what we're hoping to get. And we will do a follow-up video on this video and let you know how we made out. So yeah, so that's all we have for you today. If you like this video, if you want to see more like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.